Welcome to Yatsina's channel. So the look you're going to see, I actually filmed it last night, but it's a very basic Valentine's makeup with some smoky eyes, and you can do it with whatever is left in your makeup bag. I couldn't get to the store, so I just did it with whatever I could find. So if you want to see how I did it and how it turns out, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started with our basic Valentine's Day look. So for the first step, I'm just putting on my foundation, and you can use whichever one you like and with as much coverage as you need. I'm just using the Very Vegan one again because it's my all-time favorite. And so for the first step, I'm just going to blend that in all over my face, eyelids and everything, just to give me a nice base. Normally I don't put on that much foundation, but I'm going to use it for blending later. So just blend that in nice and even all over. Especially around the eyes, that's where I need it the most. So now for my second step, I'm putting on just a little bit more foundation under my eyes. And this is where I'm going to blend it in now. I'm also adding a liquid highlighter. You can use pretty much any one you want. I'm using the Revolution liquid highlighter. And I'm going to take the same makeup sponge and I'm going to start to blend that. So I'm going to focus on my cheeks. And it can go under the eyes because it'll just help to lighten any dark circles. I'm going to put that pretty much all over down the center of my face, you know, where the sun would hit it. And it'll blend in with the foundation. So circular motions on the cheeks, and then just blend that in. Just to give me a nice natural glow. And that's all the contouring I'm going to do. Highlight the center of your face. And then I'm not even using blush or any other thing, so just the highlighter. You can use any brand. And I like to blend it around my eyes just to lighten them up a bit. Make sure everything is blended in nicely. I also like to smooth it over with my fingers to pick up any excess. So there we go. The next step, I'm just taking the palette from I Heart Makeup London, and it's the No Photos Please palette. It's a really old one, but basically all you need is a matte black eyeshadow and then a shiny black eyeshadow and a shiny beige or white or silver. So you only need 3 colors. So what I'm putting on is the matte black first, and that's going all over my lids. And I put on quite a few layers because I just really want my eyes to stick out a lot. That's going to be the focus of my look. Any fallout, don't worry about it. You can always clean that up after. What I want is a really dark base. And then I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to take the shiny black eyeshadow. I don't even know the names because it's such an old palette. And I'm just going to put that right on top and blend the two together. You could probably do this as well with a blue or any other color that you like. I just like how it deepens the look. And it gives it a little bit of shimmer. And just take as much colour as you need and blend that in until you are happy with the way it looks. I like mine super dark, so I went over it quite a few times. Then you take the same brush and just shake it off. Because you want all the colours to blend, you don't need a new brush. And I took the shimmery beige colour. You can take white or silver, whichever colour you prefer. And I'm just putting that in the crease and going back and forth. And also up to the eyebrow. Just fill all in that section. And it'll pick up parts of the dark colour and blend it in nicely. Give you a nice smoky eye. It's super easy, so you're not blending for 15 hours. I like to put it with a bit of contrast, so that's why I went over it a few more times. So there you go, your eyes are almost finished. And I like to take the darker colour and just go over it one more time, just for more definition. This is optional, you can blend it either way you wish. There we go. As usual, my tried and true tested eyeliner by Wet n Wild, Breakup-proof. I need a new one, but I haven't been able to get to the store, and you can make the eyeliner as thick as you want. I kept mine very basic. With a dark look, you don't necessarily need very much eyeliner. Just blend that in nicely. So those are my eyes, almost finished. Normally I'd put mascara on the top, but this mascara is falling apart. I've had it too long and it's just a sample, so it's the Milk Makeup, and I just put it on the bottom lashes to give me a little definition. I didn't dare touch the top ones, but you can use it for the top as well. I definitely need new mascara. But that's the finished look for the eyes, and I just took the blending brush again with whatever was left of the foundation to cover up anything that fell down and make sure that everything is blended nicely under the eye area. And also to put on a tiny bit more of highlighter. There you go, that's the face and the eyes all done. Didn't take very long, and then you just take your favorite bright lipstick. In my case, it's the Essence Melted Chrome. It's a liquid lipstick, and the color is Ironheart. You can use pink or red. In this case, I chose red. And then just apply that on your lips for extra contrast and a sexy finish. I have small lips, so I always have to check. So there you go, that's your finished look. It didn't take very long, and I barely used any products. So I hope you liked my tutorial that I filmed for you last night. It's a very basic look for Valentine's with everything I could find in my makeup bag. I'm gonna do another video with a more fancy look with a few more things that I will be getting in the next few days. So thank you for watching and have a great day.